let's briefly discuss arrow functions and the this keyword in async code as a bonus topic. So in JavaScript, this refers to the object that called the function. But things get tricky inside callbacks, especially when we use set timeout or similar asynchronous functions. Right, so here's an example, some of it like this show classic function we have used before, where the function can access member variables using this.name, right? And you can see that when we call object.showClassic, it is correctly able to get the object's name using this.name and log this line. But what happens when we use set timeout? Notice show with delay. It's a function in which we are using set timeout, and in its callback function, we are using regular function, again followed by this.name. And you can see it logged regular function undefined. It wasn't able to find the name of the this.name, which was JavaScript. So why this discrepancy? So even though show with delay is a method of obj, the function inside set timeout is not. It's a regular function. Since set timeout is running in the global execution context, this becomes the global object, Windows in browsers or global in Node.js. Think of it this way. This function is defined directly within the obj, but set timeout gets a callback which is not part of obj, and therefore this is not pointing to obj in this callback function, and therefore this dot name does not exist, and hence we see undefined here. So how do we fix this? We use arrow functions. Let me show you. So instead of function, I just use brackets and do this. Now let me try it again. And this time we see regular function JavaScript being logged. So how did it work? Arrow functions don't have their own this. Instead, they inherit this from the surrounding function. In this case, the arrow function inherits this from show with delay, which refers to obj. All right, don't worry if it didn't make perfect sense to you. It was a bonus topic. So once you start using these things in production, this information will come in handy then.